What's up guys, it's Bullish Brit back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be going over my 3 favorite indicators for day trading and swing trading. I use this every day, but I'm gonna give y'all a few demonstrations. I'm gonna show you the indicators, I'm gonna show you how to set them, and hopefully y'all learn a lot and y'all can use it into your own trading game, because that's what I'm here for. I'm trying to spit some games so y'all can understand and y'all can learn and y'all can do it for yourself. But yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so the first one I'm going to be talking about is the volume shelf. I've talked about this in previous videos, but I've never really went into detail on like how to set it and how to use it. So the first things first, you're gonna wanna go to the indicator tab on Trading View. You're gonna click on that and you're gonna type in VRVP. Should pop up, it should say Visible Range Volume Profile. You're gonna wanna click that. It should pop up these little rectangles to the right. So I want to show you how I use them for day trading first, because I have a video going over how I use them for swing trading. I haven't really showed y'all how I use it for day trading. It's basically the same concept, but I'm gonna go in a little more detail. All right guys, so this is one of my favorite demonstrations when it comes to the volume shelf, just because it's so clear. This is on the 5-minute time frame. This was QQQ last week, but I'm just using this as a demonstration so you can understand. All right, so as you can see here, each volume shelf represents either a support or a resistance. The larger the shelf, the more high probable it will be as a resistance or a support. And also, the larger the shelf, you could see a little bit more consolidation there. As you can see, this is a big volume shelf right here. We had a lot of consolidation, but this green zone really represents a mixture of both of these volume shelves. As you can see where my cursor's at, we had like a little bottom right here. We broke that resistance right here, came back down and retested it. So this would be the perfect entry to enter calls, right? Because we had a breakout, we're having a retest at a volume shelf, which is like, that's 2 things. So we have this retest of this price over here, this price breakout, as well as this volume shelf. So I really like the idea of calls right here, or buying shares, whatever you might be doing, for upside push. So that's what would happen. And then, so I want to teach y'all about these volume gaps. So there's volume gaps between these shelves. Whether it's to the upside or downside, these volume gaps get filled very quickly. So your next price target would be the next highest volume shelf. So, which would be this one for this instance. So 436.14, around there. That's where this zone's at. That would be your next price target. Because usually in this volume gap, there's not many people trying to send the stock down lower or send it higher. They're just trying to let it continue to go to the next volume shelf. So that's how I use these. I use these as price targets. I use them as support / resistances. I use them as literally a lot of things when it comes to trading. Swing trading, day trading, investing, whatever it might be. When there's a very high volume shelf, that means that's a very big support and resistance on my terms. But yeah, I just really want to go over the volume shelf. It's very simple to use, very easy to use. Any beginner trader, any day trader, any swing trader, any investor can use this indicator, and it's very true. So I personally always have my volume profiles on. Now let's go to the next one. The next indicator is mainly for day trading. And this indicator, I love it for day trading because it's kind of like a volume shelf. It has to do with volume again. It's called VWAP. Now this one's more well known to everyone, but I wanted to put this in here because it's like an ultimate combo when you have a volume shelf and VWAP. Because it shows you support and resistances, like I just said, based off of using price action and volume. That is it. And I love that. That's my favorite thing, because all I really play is price action and volume. So yeah, VWAP, this helps me with the day trading side. So let's just go to SPY real quick. So as you can see, this is today, what's today? 2/14. We've used SPY as a support a couple times. As you can see, we had a bull flag right here, and it bounced off of that, came back down, used it as a support, but then broke underneath it. Now it's using it as a resistance. So this one's very clear, very easy, very simple. That's what I'm trying to give y'all. I'm trying to give y'all that game that is simple to use, because the more indicators you have, the more bullshit lines, trend lines, everything, like, it gets confusing. When you start overcomplicating trading, that's when you start losing money. You need to make it as simple as possible. So as you can see here, this is live right now. We're using this as a resistance. We've got close to it, used as resistance. We've used it as a support today. This is one of my favorite indicators for day trading, because if it crosses over, then you use it as a support and then you look for the next high. And what I like to do is go to the 15-minute and look for the next high volume shelf. So the next volume shelf that's pretty high is right here. So y'all ain't gonna see this live, but if we break above VWAP, then I'm looking for this volume shelf to get hit. But that's how I would use that. So right now we got volume profiles and we got VWAP. The next indicator is the 21 MA and the 50 MA. Now this is a little more, this is swing trading and intra-swing trading. So what intra-swing trading means is a longer day trade or a possible swing trade. So right here we have the 21 and the 50. These indicate the trend. This indicator, the orange one, is the 21 MA and this one's the 50. The 50 is a lot more stronger just because it's the longer MA, the bigger MA. The higher you go up on MAs, the more probable, the more likely, the more stronger they get. So the 50 is a lot more stronger here. The 21 is just trying to tell you the overall trend. But right now, on the 15-minute, it looks like we are retesting the 21. So I would honestly say this is bearish until we get over. Right here, as you can see, we have this right here. We have this previous support. We broke underneath it and now we're using it as a resistance with this 21 MA. So if I was entering a trade right now, I would be entering puts on QQ or on SPY. And if it goes over, so earlier we saw VWAP is actually at the same spot, which is kind of crazy. Usually they don't line up to be in the same exact spot, but VWAP and this 21 MA is at the same exact spot. Those are my top 3 favorite trading indicators when it comes to day trading or swing trading. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope all you learned something from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe because I'm going to be dropping valuable content all 2024 and you're not going to want to miss it. Make sure to comment down below what you would like to learn for yourself. To get a better understanding of whatever it might be. But yeah, until next time, let's stay profitable, stay green, and let's keep moving our port up.